Good morning. It is April the 3rd, 2020. This is Miss Jackson, and I want to say happy Friday to my 4th graders at Hampton Prep. Today we're going to be talking about Math T 4.7e. We're going to find unknown angle measures. But before we start with that, let's start with a fun fact with Sean Jack.
Did you know that our brain doesn't hurt? If we were poked in the brain, we wouldn't feel anything because the brain doesn't feel pain. Don't get on your nerves when we are stressed, meaning when we are very, very nervous, our brain shrinks. It becomes smaller and works worse. So we need to relax. Do you know how much our brain weighs? Well, our brain weighs 1.5 kilos. The truth is, I thought it weighed a lot less. Can you hear it? It's laughter. Laughter is very good for our brain. When we laugh, our brain is also happy, and it makes us think more clearly and be more positive. So everyone, let's laugh. The brain never rests. When we sleep, our brain is still active, and thanks to it, our heart keeps pumping and our lungs keep breathing. The human body is incredible, isn't it? So it works better. We need to do a lot of physical and mental exercise. The more we use it, the more it works. Goodbye, happy friends. See you in the next happy learning video.
Before we get started, I want to remind everyone to go and take your attendance question at Class Dojo portfolios. Are you ready to become a private investigator to solve problems with missing measures that contains all types of angles? Let's see if you meet the requirements. Do you know a straight angle is 180 degrees and half of that straight angle is 90 degrees, which measures a right angle? Do you know that a right angle is 90 degrees and half of that right angle is 45 degrees? Did you know those two? And did you also know that M with this symbol stands for measure of angle? If you knew that, then you're ready. Okay, 4.7e, determine the measure of an unknown angle formed by two non-overlapping adjacent angles given one or both angle measures. Okay, so this is a STAR question from 2019. And here, let's read it. The measure of angle WXZ is 90 degrees. So I'm trying to get rid of light. Okay. The measure of angle WXY is 53 degrees. What is the measure in degrees of angle YXZ? You will record your answers and fill in the bubbles on the answer document. Be sure to use the correct place value. Okay, so we don't have a answer document, so we'll just be writing it on our paper. Okay, so let's do some detective work. let's take the information that we know and let's try to come up with a plan. So we know that the measure of WXZ is 90. So let's find WXZ. WXZ. Oh, okay, so that is a what? Right, it says 90 degrees, so that is a right angle. Okay, and the measurement of WXY is 53 degrees. So let's find WXY. WXY. So it looks like it's half, right? Okay, so let's figure it out. But it's not, because we know that half of 90 is 45. Remember that back in your notes when I first told you? Do you know? Half of a right angle is 45 degrees. So this is 53 degrees. So how will we find the measurement of this angle? If you said, or if you're thinking, you take the total and you subtract 53, then you're on the right page. So let's just do that. Not like this. 90 minus 53 equals, let's go. So we know that we cannot take 3 from 0, but what we can take is 10 from this side and make this an 8, and this is 10. So 10 minus 3 is 7. 8 minus 5 is 3. So this side angle ZXY equals 37 degrees. Got it? Great job. So let's go on down to the next question. And this question came from the STAR Test 2018, question number 7. Angle XYZ and angle XYW have a combined measure of 180, which is a what? That's correct, straight line. The measure of angle XYZ is 28. What is the measure of XYW in degrees? Alright, so let's be some investigators and let's get the information that we know and let's jot that down and see if we can come up with a fantastic answer. The straight line right here is 180 degrees. And the question says, the information that it's offering us is let's find X, Y, Z is 28 degrees. What we need to know is how much is W, the measurement of W, Y, X, or XYW, and not put it in, or the other way around, equals what? What can we do? What is our process? We're going to subtract Subtract what? 180 from 28 is correct. Let's do the math. We cannot take 8 from 0, so this becomes a 10, right? And this becomes what? Instead of writing 7, you can just write 17. Because we're going to take 1, which is 110, and we're going to put the 10 over here. 10 minus 8 is, correct, 2. 17 minus 2, 15. So, the measurement of angle, how do they call it? X, Y, W equals 152 degrees. Okay? Now, let's move on to the next thing, which is your pop question. Yes. Try to make it all beautiful for you. With a little color. Let me see. Straighten it up. Your pop question. Everybody ready for your pop question? Now, how do you submit a pop question, Miss Jackson? I'm so glad you asked. I'm so glad you asked. You're going to copy the question if you want to, put it on a piece of paper. You can work it out on a piece of paper. You can screenshot it, or you can take a video, or you can put it in your portfolios, or you can send it to my message. Send me a message on YouTube. I mean, not YouTube. I'm sorry, Class Dojo. What you can do also is send it through your parents' phone if you don't have access to the message. But if you can send it through your portfolio if you like, I can see it as well. And then I'll just grade it, and then I'll send you a private message back. So, our pop question for today. This was question number 16. Question number 3 on 2016 STAR test. Angle MLN has a measure of 41 degrees. Angle NLP is a right angle. What is the measure of angle MLP? Your answer choices are A, 82 degrees, B, 49 degrees, C, 180 degrees, D, 130 degrees. 31 degrees, I'm sorry. So, go ahead. I know you're smart. I know everybody's going to make a 100 because we're Hampton Prep scholars. So, go ahead and complete the question, the pop question. Put a little confetti on it. You can decorate your answer and send it to me too. I would love to see some artwork. What else? I'm leaving it up here for a little while so everybody get a chance to see it. If I'm moving too fast, then you can always push, like rewind it back a little bit and push pause. That will also keep it on the screen. Well, today is Friday, so I guess I'll see you in a few days. I want you to stay safe. I'll see you soon. I love you all. Yes, an important message. Chromebooks will be given out tomorrow from the hours of 9 to 10 during the call line. You can, you don't even have to get up the cars, parents. You just drive them up. You tell the staff your name. They will give you a sheet of paper to fill out, and you just get a paper back, and then they give you a Chromebook. The line should be really relatively easy and fast because a lot of scholars already have received their Chromebooks. But if you're one of those scholars, parents that had to work or just couldn't make it at those times, tomorrow will be the last time, I'm assuming, because they get ready to close the school for the deep cleaning. Again, another deep cleaning. So, tomorrow, 9 to 10 in the call line. Alright, if nothing else, I see you soon. And let's get ready to Zoom.